Local news about local people. This is Newslink Indiana.
Good evening, I'm Jill Crean. Chris has the night off. A top official with the National Mortgage Bankers Association says it's no mystery while Central Indiana has some of the highest foreclosure rates in the nation. Chief economist Douglas Duncan told a mayoral council forum to blame the economy. Duncan says Indiana has consistently had more stable and affordable housing prices than the rest of the country. He says that means a homeowner has built up less equity as a cushion against foreclosure. And a Muncie landmark has been abandoned for almost 20 years is now back on track. As Newslink Indiana's Nicole Richards reports, you'll have a chance to be part of a historic reopening.
The original Wysor Street Depot was completed in 1901 but became deserted and fell apart in 1985. While some wanted it torn down, others such as Shonda Kane wanted the depot restored to be used as part of the Cardinal Greenway.
Just preserving the historic buildings in the community.
Renovation of the depot began in April and cost nearly $900,000. It will house the offices of the Delaware Greenways and will have a gift shop, exhibits, and a modern train display. Many of the new artifacts in the depot were rescued from the Union Street station that was torn down in 1991. A celebration will kick off 10:30 Saturday morning with a parade from the Delaware County Fairgrounds to the depot, followed by other forms of entertainment.
And when they get to the depot, we have the grand opening ceremony, and after the ceremony opens, our key event is a bicycle
safety fair.
The first 50 kids who show up for bicycle training will receive one of these free helmets.
The people that use the Cardinal Greenway, some of them are bike riders. We want to make sure that people are remembering safety too and that they're wearing helmets. So
they want the depot to bring the community together not just tomorrow but for many years to come. In Muncie, Nicole Richards, Newslink, Indiana.
The planning committee hopes that with weather being nice, there'll be a great turnout. Now here's a look at the Newslink Indiana's forecast. The weekend will get off to a dry start, but watch out for wet weather creeping in. It'll be a great night outside tonight, and we'll see partly cloudy skies and a low of 53. A sunny Saturday is on the way. Expect partly cloudy skies and a high of 75. And you can see a rainy change in the 5-day forecast. A chance of showers and thunderstorms arrives Sunday and lasts throughout the next several days. Highs will climb into the 80s with lows in the 60s. And that's Newslink Indiana. Join us at 10:57 for more news and get local news about local people 24 hours a day at newslinkindiana.com.